Imagine an initiative so grand, it transforms a nation of over 1 billion people into a global manufacturing powerhouse. Enter Make in India, a program that redefined India's industrial landscape. This bold and ambitious venture took flight in September 2014, launched by Prime Minister Narendra Modi. The objective? Crystal clear: to transform India into a global manufacturing hub. A hub that not only caters to the vast domestic market but also exports to the world. The initiative aimed to create jobs, foster innovation, enhance skill development, and above all, boost the Indian economy. The Indian government identified 25 sectors for growth, including automobiles, textiles, construction, defense manufacturing, and biotechnology, to name a few. The idea was to attract foreign investors by easing business policies and improving infrastructure. And the world responded. By the close of 2015, India had jumped up 16 places on the World Bank's Ease of Doing Business Index. An impressive leap that marked the beginning of a promising journey. Fast forward to 2016 and the Make in India lion was roaring louder than ever. India was now the world's 6th largest manufacturing nation, a significant jump from 9th position in 2015. The growth didn't stop there. By 2018, India had climbed to the 100th spot on the World Bank's Ease of Doing Business Index from the 132nd position in 2015, a testament to the efficacy of the Make in India initiative. The journey continued, and by 2020, India had broken into the top 63 countries on the Ease of Doing Business Index. A monumental leap that reflected the relentless drive of the Make in India initiative. Fast forward to the present day, and Make in India continues to shape the Indian industrial landscape. The initiative has not only attracted foreign investment, but also fostered domestic innovation. It has created jobs, enhanced skill development, and above all, boosted the Indian economy. To sum up, Make in India is more than just an initiative. It's a revolution that has transformed India into a global manufacturing powerhouse. It has changed the way the world views India and the way India views itself. It has ignited a spark of innovation, entrepreneurship and ambition in a nation of over 1 billion people. Make in India isn't just about making products, it's about making a difference. It's about making a nation. And that, ladies and gentlemen, is the power of Make in India.